Welcome, Saracana.
Get over here!
Flawless victory. Headshot. 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 You have won the match. Finish him. Woo! Goodbye.
Welcome to King Kong's House of Pain. Let's get ready to rumble! Introducing first, in the red corner, the challenger, fighting out of Iwo Jima, Japan. The reigning, complaining, wildly insaning, dick chaining, the Team MadCatz Versus Series SH. And for his opponent, in the blue corner, this stick is a mixed martial artist, combining the forces of Capcom and Namco and a ninja's wet dream. Throw in with a Joey bag of donuts, 2 turtle doves, and a snowy idiot. Fighting out of San Diego, California, the defending, too rare to be trending. This intro's never ending. The MadCatz Street Fighter Cross Tekken Versus Edition.
Tell me you did not just say that.
This is the main event of the evening, featuring the special guest referee, the rarest of them all. Harder to find than Where's Waldo and your lost password with 1 capital letter, 1 number, 2 symbols. It must be at least 8 characters long. Search for it on eBay if you don't believe me. Introducing the Capri Sun Pacific Cooler Juicing, the always under the influencing, the MadCatz Arcade Fight Stick First Edition Connector Kit!
Now can you dig that, sucker?
Check out this monitor, baby, bright and tight, just like the captain showed us. What does Sub-Zero eat for breakfast? Frosted Flakes. These are custom-made arcade front panel kits I designed on Photoshop and sent over to FocusAttack.com. They have the matching cut-out plexiglass. They cut everything laser out if needed. Why don't you head on over to their site after this video to check them out for all your fighting stick purpose needs? Or else, why don't you just head on over to Hooters? Now this thing is heavy. I mean heavy. I'd say it's heavy as a polar bear. How much is a polar bear weigh, you ask? Enough to break the ice. Now this is a montage nobody wants to see me do any work. You just want to get to the end. I know what the people want. It's time. It's time for the people.
Show me.